y'all, it's Dionne here of Indulgence is Key. And if this is your first time here, welcome, honey. Come on in here with us. And if it's not and you are returning, then welcome back, honey. I am so glad that you all decided to join me on this video on this day, because we are going to get into some DIY photo shoot tips. I did my own photo shoot today, and let me tell you, it turned out amazing. And I'm going to share some pictures here, some photos here. In the upcoming vlog, you will see a little bit of the BTS, the behind the scenes of this photo shoot, but I'm not going to leave y'all hanging. I'm going to put some pictures in here, okay? So don't worry about that. But we're going to get right into what you need to do in order to construct and carry out your own DIY photo shoot. Number one, know the purpose of your photo shoot. This is very important because it's going to help you determine your outfits, your makeup look, your location, the time of day you want to shoot, all of that. Okay, so know the purpose of your photo shoot. You may be looking to get some fresh headshots. You want them to be shot outside, or you want them to be inside. You may be looking to get fresh photos just for your social media or for your own LinkedIn portfolio, or just to have, just in case you get called out for a picture. Say, hey, honey, send me a picture of you. Send me your best picture, especially if you out there trying to date or something, you know, and you got a fresh photo to pull from. We don't want to be catfishing nobody. But anyway, I digress. I don't even know why I went over there. But anyway, reel it in. But just know what it is that you are shooting for. All right. And this will help determine your outfits, like I said, and everything else that falls behind that. All right. That's number one. Number two, get your outfits together. And I would highly suggest no more than 2 to 4 outfit changes, because let's say we're leaving the house. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be talking about doing a DIY photo shoot outside the house. All right, away from the house, away from home. So you're going to have to carry your outfits with you. If you're doing your makeup ahead of time, then you won't too much have to worry about that. Just bring some things to freshen up your makeup if you need to do that. But if you're going to be doing your makeup on set, depending on your location, you're going to have to carry that with you as well. So you want to know what it is that you are going to take photos in, and then also how you want your makeup to be. Okay, so 2 to 4, I would say have those ready for yourself, because you don't want too many of them, because you're going to be outside the home unless you have all day to be shooting and changing and transitioning and all of that. Okay, now with those outfits, you want to make sure that these things are easy to transition into and out of, because you might have to transition into and out of your outfits inside your vehicle. Okay, just know this is a DIY. Okay, we haven't booked a studio or nothing like that. And maybe you have, but I'm just coming from the premises of us just getting out here, doing a photo shoot outside the home in public. You want to make sure that you consider that. All right. So next thing, the third thing is the location. Where are you going to shoot this photo shoot? All right. So I decided to do it at a part of town where it's not really busy on a Sunday. It's not really busy on a Sunday morning around like 10 o'clock. And there was going to be great light. It was not going to be cloudy or anything like that. You want to make sure you check the weather. I need to highlight that, especially if you're doing a shoot outside. You want to make sure you check the weather. But it was going to be sunny and hot here in Houston, Texas. And I was like, we're finna get these shots done and we're going to be over it. So make sure that you consider your location and if it's going to be crowded and the time of day for your shoot, as well as the weather. Now, if you are looking to shoot within crowds because that's a part of the photo look that you're going for, then have at it. But I wanted it to be kind of quiet or kind of slow during the day whenever I wanted to do this particular photo shoot. Now, know if I'm looking down, if I'm looking to the side, I have my pen because I have my notes down here and I want to make sure I don't forget anything. Next, you want to consider your equipment. Whether you're going to use your phone, if you have a professional camera or a DSLR camera, whatever it is, your tripods, your ring lights, your light boxes, and all of that, you need to consider that and make sure you have everything you need for that. And for me, I knew that I was going to be shooting outside, and then I was going inside to a location, but it still had decent lighting. So I didn't want to bring along a ring light or the box lights or any light boxes or the umbrella lights. I didn't want to bring any of that stuff because I wanted to get in and get out. So consider your equipment. And then if you're going to have someone to assist you, this is number 5. The equipment was number 4. I'm just going on without telling y'all what number we on. But if you're going to have anyone to assist you, such as a relative, a friend, your child, your husband, someone, if you're going to have someone there with you, that is great because they can help you whenever you need someone to click the camera, whenever you need someone to start that timer, whenever you need someone to carry things from one set of a location to another set. All right. And then just to fix your hair, if a little piece of hair is out of place because you don't want to have the perfect shot, you looking out good in this shot, and then you got a little Tweety bird over there and you didn't want that. You didn't want that because my baby had to help me with that a couple of times today. So those are the main things that I want you to consider when you're doing a DIY photo shoot. Now, let me tell you about mine on today. Like I said, we did it outside. I only had 2 outfit changes. I had 3 different outfits, but I said I'm just going to do 2 and be done. So the first set was outside. It was very beautiful outside this morning. It was not too hot, but let me tell you, I don't care how cool or how mild you may think it is. Once you start moving around, you're shuffling around, you're moving from point A to point B, then you're going to change your clothes. You're going to be about to work up a sweat if you don't get in some AC, okay? But it was beautiful this morning. We were outside, so we did that first shoot. We got that done. Then we went inside of a hotel and we stayed in the lobby area. There was not a lot of traffic. There was not a lot of foot traffic there. Picked the area, took some shots there, and then we picked another area in the lobby and got a couple of shots there, and we were done. But let me tell you, the transition into and out of the first outfit happened in my vehicle. Okay? It happened in my vehicle. I had to slide that seat back, make sure I have tinted windows, but I had to slide the seat up because I got in the back so nobody really couldn't see anything. But I was in a parking garage, did the change of outfits in the car, and then went on to the second location, which was the hotel, because the hotel, we were outside the hotel, you know, in a terrace area, but it's a public terrace area where you have restaurants, a walkway, a green terrace for kids to play and all of that, but nobody was out there, so we had all that time. So I hope this helped you the next time you feel as though you want to do a DIY photo shoot. Just know that you can do it. Follow those tips. And if you have any tips that you want to share for doing a DIY photo shoot, put them in the comment section and we would be happy to take those along and put those in our notes so that we can follow those the next time we decide to do one. But like always, I hope that you all had a great time here because I had one. And make sure you return back on Thursday for our next video. And until then, I want you all to have an awesome and amazing day, awesome and amazing week. And I will see you then. Bye.